In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading Figma on your PC or laptop. Whether you're a budding designer or a seasoned pro, Figma is an essential tool for your design journey, and we'll show you how to get it installed in no time. Let's get started.
Preview.
First things first, open your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type Figma and hit enter. This will take you to the Figma search results. Click Figma Downloads option. This is where you'll find all the options for downloading Figma. Once you're on the Downloads page, you'll see 3 different options: Desktop app, Mobile app, and Font installer. Now, you'll be presented with 2 options, one for macOS and one for Windows. Choose the option that matches your operating system. Your browser will start downloading the Figma installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and run the installer. Yeah, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MA Tutorials for more design-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.